All right, so super exciting day today. Huge thank you to Mississauga Harley Davidson, grand opening. They're doing a demo day. And huge thank you to Alex Palumbo of GTA Motorcycle Riders for giving me the heads up that this was happening. Because if not, I wouldn't have known, because I'm not a Harley boy. So they got a whole bunch of bikes out here to test. I secured my spot for the Pan America. So I'm gonna be doing a first impressions ride. So first and foremost, seeing it in person is a little bit different. I seen the pictures online. I mean, it's a lot nicer than it seems. Obviously, it's a very tall bike. I'm 6'1", and I can easily flat foot it. It's not too bad. 1250 cc's, 150 horsepower. All the bells and whistles. I got myself secured, so I'll be taking this one out first. All right, so fully loaded. It's just over 500 pounds. Adjustable shocks, Brembo brakes up front. After sitting on it, it's a lot more. It's not as heavy as you think it is. I mean, this is going to be the truest first impressions ride that you can think of, because the only other street bike that I've ever ridden before is my MT-07. So it comes with 4 riding modes, customizable riding modes, adjustable windshield. I'm pretty sure you can integrate your phone into it, Bluetooth compatibility, and a big V-twin engine. Now, it is only going to be a short demo ride, so we're just going to be looping around the neighborhood, but it's going to be fun to ride something else other than my own bike. Too bad I won't be able to take it out for a long extended ride and bring it off some trails or something, but you know, it is what it is. I'm really looking forward to getting on this. Damn, where the hell does the key even go?
So it's just a fob. All the bikes are just fob.
Ah, I see.
So you're in neutral now. All you gotta do is push down on that.
Okay, perfect. All right, this is gonna be exciting. See, look, they got the headset connected. You can connect a whole bunch of other stuff to it, but I gotta say, it is very comfortable. Clutch feels nice and soft, and I can't lie, I'm pretty damn nervous at the moment, because this is the first time I've ridden another bike that's not my own. And it's a totally different type of bike. I've never ridden something like this before. So true first impression ride. Kind of nervous. It's quiet though. Damn, she feels smooth. Oh yeah, that bump felt nice. Man, this feels nice, I can't lie. This might have been dangerous to come here to ride this. Could be signing some paperwork by the time the day's over. Damn, it feels balanced though. It feels so light, like it's so comfortable. You can definitely eat up some huge amount of miles on this. Now, unfortunately, it was a very last minute thing that happened. I never had much of a chance to do much research on the bike. I've already kind of gone over some other stuff about some of the information that you need to know. And like I said, I ain't much of a Harley boy, so I don't know a whole lot about everything. Easy enough to click it into neutral. I believe it was a 34-inch seat height. I can flat foot it no problem, so it's easy. There was one of the other gentlemen there, he had sat on it. He's quite shorter than I am, and he wasn't able to flat foot it at all. Pretty sure all the suspension is totally adjustable, customizable. Pretty sure the windscreen is it looks like it's probably a manual adjustment. But either way, you can adjust it, make it a bit taller. Now, the big important part is what they did. Harley was smart with it. They made it liquid cool. As we all know, a lot of their bikes are all they're all air cooled. I've been sitting here at this light for a little minute now, and you know it can be extremely hot and disgusting. But you can still feel that heat coming off the leg. And look at that muffler right there. Woo. That muffler right there could probably cause some burns. Some nice giddy up power, that's for sure. That wind coming over the windshield, I gotta say, it feels like at highway speeds, it could be quite bad for buffeting. I might need to adjust it too because I'm a little taller. I can feel it slapping my helmet, and you might be able to hear it too on the mic. No, but it's a comfortable bike. It's a comfortable bike, that is for sure. I am thoroughly impressed. I mean, I don't have much else to compare it to. I mean, not as much engine braking as my MT, but she pulls pretty nice. I mean, you got 150 horses. Not too sure what I'm more nervous about, just riding a different style of bike for the first time. Or I'm out here riding with a bunch of true-blooded Harley dudes trying to stay in pack formation. This guy's throwing up hand singles. All the times I'm out on bike with my friends, it's always like a free-for-all. Imagine just bombing it out onto the golf field right now. Yeah, if I did that, I don't think I'll be invited back. She definitely doesn't. To me, it feels like my MT-07 is way torquier than this thing. Like, I just had her in third gear, and it felt like she was like kind of struggling to, as I twisted the throttle. I like the screen. The screen is easy enough to read. Nice and bright. All the important information is there. Easily readable. You got your tach, your speedo, digital speedo. You got your gear indicator. You know, everything that you need is within view's reach. That's for sure. I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to. Hoping I'm going to be able to get onto another bike. Let me just eat this and see. I've had my eyes on the Yamaha Tenere, of course, because it's something that I know and love, especially like the motor. I'm a Yamaha boy through and through. I don't know how a 1200cc V-twin motorcycle would fare in off-roading. I mean, this thing could easily bomb down some gravel roads and stuff, but we're gonna get into the tight off-roading stuff. I don't know if they would be too good. It's almost too big, but you know, I don't think it's designed for that. If you want to be doing that, you got to get yourself a little CRF 250L to be bombing it down some tight dirt trails. But definitely this could get you where you got to go. And I mean, if you're a bigger person, bigger dude, you can easily handle this thing off-road. I mean, I think I could anyways. I would love to give it a shot. But so if Dixie Harley, y'all see this? You want to lend me the bike for the day, and I'll put it through the paces, then that would be much appreciated. This is a sick bike though. Well, Harley, I gotta say, I'm impressed. Y'all built a nice bike. I know there's some other people out there that are more well versed into and they'll nitpick every little detail about it, but I could ride this bike. I don't know if I'd buy it, but I could definitely ride this bike. I should say, I don't know if I could afford to buy it. That's the only thing about all these Harleys, is that they're just expensive, man. The brakes grab pretty nicely, I gotta say. Well, that was fun. Where do I sign?